Do you rent in West Virginia? Although West Virginia has one of the lowest amount of renters in the country, Effective Coverage is still committed to providing superior coverage at the most affordable price for all the renters. What's disappointing is that only 40% of them even have renters insurance. With the threat of a theft of property in the state of West Virginia happening every 12 minutes, there's a definite risk of your personal belongings being stolen. Now, with your belongings being vulnerable to catastrophe, you're going to want to feel the comfort and security that West Virginia renters insurance will give you. From Charleston to Morgantown, Effective Coverage provides superior coverage for the most affordable price that you deserve as a renter. The great news is that according to the Insurance Information Institute, West Virginia renters insurance is only $178 per year. That's slightly cheaper than the national average. Give us a call by contacting one of our insurance experts or visit us at effectivecoverage.com and purchase your policy that will likely cost even less than the national average. Now, Effective Coverage recognizes that citizens from West Virginia are still stunned today that it was the first state to have an electric railroad in the country. But will you really want to use the electric railroad to travel in case of a disaster instead of quickly recovering from a catastrophe with your affordable West Virginia renters insurance? That's why you need renters insurance to protect yourself from the inevitable disasters and not having to go back to technology from 200 years ago. Now, West Virginia renters insurance comes with many different coverages, but they can all be divided into three main groups so we can keep it very, very simple. The first is your personal liability insurance. This part protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another person. If you accidentally left a stove unattended and you contributed to one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that happen every year, your insurance policy will pay to defend you and the damages that you cause to other tenants and even the building owner. And this coverage goes with you both at the apartment or wherever you travel in the country. The next part that also travels with you is your personal property coverage. Your furniture, clothing, electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a fire or theft. These policies will protect you should your property need to be replaced even from something like smoke damage from a fire that happens a few apartments down the hall. The last piece of coverage on your West Virginia renters insurance is called loss of use coverage. This part of your policy will pay for you to stay in a hotel after a covered loss. We're sure you don't want to be stranded or pay for that expensive hotel by yourself. While your renter's insurance will pay for you to stay in a hotel, it will not pay for you to stay in one of the many high-end resort-type hotels that are throughout the state. Your loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy will protect you, and it's critical to help you staying on your feet even when you have to stay in a hotel for an extended period of time. Now, we have exciting news. You might not have renter's insurance right now, or you may be paying too much for your renter's insurance right now. But you can have all the renter's insurance you need in 5 minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is Effective Coverage. Why would you shop anywhere else? Just call Effective Coverage to speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or, if you prefer, visit our website and purchase your West Virginia renters insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.